If you're wondering what the changes are since last month's Visa Bulletin, stick around because I'm going to let you know. Hello, everyone. I'm attorney Lee Marvin, and I've been practicing law for over 20 years, and I've specialized in immigration law for over the last 11-ish years. My main office is in Grand Rapids, Michigan, but I do help individuals and families from any state in the country and really any country on the planet. So stick around for just a few minutes because you're going to find your favorite country and family member category so you know what the process time is for final action dates, for interviews, for green card requests outside the United States. Consular processing is what they call it, okay? So stick around for that. So again, what is the Visa Bulletin? What is it used for? If you've seen my videos every month for the last number of months, you'll know that the Visa Bulletin is the publication that immigration puts out to let people know how much longer they have to wait. Is it accurate? I don't know. But we do have the numbers from last month to tell you whether it's changed or not. And actually, it has changed. In virtually every category, unlike the last number of months where there was very little change, there's a pretty decent amount of change. So first of all, that's what the Visa Bulletin is. It tells you what the final action dates are for scheduling the interview for your family member. It divides your family member and it divides the countries into different categories. So again, the different categories based on family relationship are unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens. We've got spouses and children, both married and unmarried, of legal permanent residents. We have unmarried sons and daughters 21 years of age or older. We have married sons and daughters of U.S. citizens. We have brothers and sisters of U.S. citizens. And I've posted those on the screen so you can just look at what those different categories are. Then the government divides the categories by country. So they have a general category that applies to the general world population. And then they have China, India, Mexico, and the Philippines. Those countries have their own category, okay? The reason is because they're the most populated immigration seekers on the planet. So they have their own sections, so they don't take away from everyone else, okay? So the general world population, or if you're one of those different countries, you look at that category. So again, there has been changes, okay? So for the general world population, the F1 category, which is the unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens, it's better by about 5 months, okay? Then you go down, you go to the F2A, which is spouse and children of permanent residents. That's better by 9 months. That's a pretty big boost from last month. So F2B is the unmarried sons and daughters, 21 years of age or older, of legal permanent residents. And that has increased by 5. So it's better by 5 months. So the F3 is the married sons and daughters of U.S. citizens, and that also is better by 3 months. The last category, brothers and sisters of U.S. citizens, it is improved by 1 month. So again, as you can see, the general world population, there has been an improvement since the last month's Visa Bulletin. And again, check the screen because I have that information on there. Okay, let's go to China. It's better by 5 months, as you can see. I'm not going to read through all these because I have it posted on the screen. Better by 5 months with the first category. The second category, better by 9 months. That's pretty good. The next category is better by 5 months. And then the next is better by 3 months. The last category is better by 2 weeks. We'll take it, but it's not that much of an increase. Let's go to India. India, the first category, F1, it's better by 5 months. The F2A category is better by 9 months. Then we go down to the F2B, better by 5 months. F3, better by 3 months in India. And then the last category is the F4, it's better by 1 month in India. Again, any improvement we will take because it's been very, 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 very slow for quite a while. So we'll take it. Let's go to Mexico. Mexico, the F1 category is better by 5 months. So a 5 month improvement. The F2A is better by 3 months. We'll take it. Then you go to F2B, it's better by 5 months. This next category, F3, is better by 10 months. That's a huge increase and a huge improvement since last month. So the F4 category in Mexico is better by 3 months. Again, it's not 10 months, but it's pretty good, okay? If we go to the Philippines, the last country category, the F1, it's the same as it was last month. F2A, it's better by 9 months, which again is a really good improvement. F2B is the same as it was last month. The F3 category is better by 2 months. The final category is the F4 category in the Philippines is better by 3 months. So as you can see, these are improving. Is there a trend? I think there is a trend. I mean, you can't really measure it. You can look at the data, but I see the government taking people a little bit more seriously and listening to the lawsuits, really is what it is, because people are super mad at the wait times. As we know, it's first come, first serve, so they don't really have a whole lot of control over how many they process from month to month, but it really comes down to the number of people that have applied. Efficiency is always important, but remember, first in is first out. So whenever you apply, that's why it's so important to get your I-130 petition filed with the government, because that's really where the waiting period, they have the most control over. They meaning immigration. So you file as soon as possible, and it gets in the line, it gets in the queue, and it keeps going down the line. And as people come and go, there's more room for additional people, okay? So again, that is the Visa Bulletin for May of 2024. Again, if you have questions about it, drop your questions in the comment section. If you like this information every month, please subscribe so you get notified next month if you click the little notification bell. Again, this changes every month, so come back next month and I will post a brand new video analyzing this information. Again, it was a heck of a good improvement since last month. So if you have questions, let me know. You can check out my website. You can check out my other videos. And if you have a specific question that's not related to the Visa Bulletin, you can always schedule a consultation to talk to me about it. Go to my website, marvinlawoffice.com. Click the link below if you have questions you want to talk directly to me. Thank you for your time. We always welcome suggestions about different videos that you might want to have. So please put anything in the comments section. We do get back to people eventually. It might not be immediate, but we try to do a good job in getting back to people because people took the time to write to us. So we like to respond to those messages. So have a wonderful day, and we will see you soon.